Click on the link below to get price. The Alorair 235 Pints Commercial Dehumidifier is a powerhouse designed specifically for large spaces like crawl spaces and basements, where humidity control is critical. With a robust extraction rate of 235 pints per day, this unit is engineered to tackle the most challenging moisture issues, ensuring a dry and healthy environment. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its built-in pump, which allows for continuous drainage. This means that users can set it up in a location with high humidity and not worry about manually emptying the water tank. The pump can effortlessly pump out water to a nearby drain, a feature that significantly enhances convenience and usability. The construction of the Alorair dehumidifier feels solid and durable, which is essential for commercial-grade equipment. It operates efficiently even in lower temperatures, thanks to its low-temperature operation feature, making it ideal for basements that may not be well heated. This is a crucial element, as many dehumidifiers struggle to function effectively in cooler conditions. Another highlight is its user-friendly interface. The digital display is easy to read, allowing users to set the desired humidity level effortlessly. Additionally, the built-in hygrometer accurately measures the current humidity, providing real-time feedback on the environment. Noise levels are a consideration for many when choosing a dehumidifier, and the Alorair performs admirably in this area. It operates at a reasonable sound level, making it suitable for residential areas and commercial spaces alike without causing a disturbance. With a focus on energy efficiency, the Alorair 235 Pints Commercial Dehumidifier is not only effective but also cost-efficient in the long run. It's equipped with features that help save on energy bills while keeping the air quality in your space optimal. In summary, the Alorair 235 Pints Dehumidifier is a reliable and powerful option for anyone needing serious moisture control in challenging environments. Its combination of efficiency, durability, and user-friendly features makes it a top choice for both commercial and residential applications.